ba kwa ba
ya jabi
apombo ko de
nyame adom ho ye pa na so
nyame adom ye ho ye papa nyina ye ho ye pa ye ho den sefo yi levi fu papa we
fu yi levi
o hadwene asema me kan ti obesan ba sisi a de ba menye di na ene ne ewie ye do gba de ase Ebenezer
ba ya odi
abedru ni na na ye wie no na chese wo de ye fa hen
ene ne ye wie no ase ye shedan ka bibia but bibi kakra bi na mpesa meka the nature of leadership.
The nature.
Oh yeah. You can't leadership wa.
You soon in the bank.
The nature of leadership. Na mpesa meka bibi kakra fa hona. Said the only two just say a tief was be mu.
Yeah.
If you say osume ba akuni na ya brusu bia ya chere purpose. Ne fapim.
Correct.
You define it.
Correct.
You chere the principles.
Sharp.
You chere the potentials of the aduma. You purpose and vision. You about purpose and success.
Yes.
You about
job and work.
Job, no, you can't about purpose, deployment and employment. You about job versus work.
That's right.
And you about leadership, purpose, leadership.
Okay.
And then the person. Baby, you see no cry. I will be here. My friend, the nature of leadership.
You see no yakumu.
I see no yakumu. Sir. Entino. Nyame shira etiefo se bosome ba kuni. Onya ye ho adage na watie. Kofo bibira frɛ.
Ede nyame ase.
Kofo bibira frɛ. Na kwa ba ko bia wo frɛ kora de na sem no. Eno na ka ho asem na meka kyerɛ ne se.
Yeah.
The best thing to do. Purpose can only be found in the mind of the creator.
Yeah.
Tiana yes we ma creator na hunu mu bi. Na o chia watre no. So on there no wadan nyame akiri die kra yes bro 10 years.
Wadan nyame akiri die.
So mpeso betu nyame die kra.
Aden.
Na mbusa na sa da so wakọ asofo no bi. Na de omo ye no. Ti onyi ni se na ni twato kra sofo akọ no ho a etwato kra wa na de so nko nyame ho bi mu se okọ sofo bi ho sofo no se obema na Yesu moja
okọ fare kamera bi kono so wara
ame do na me se da ono Yesu ye 2000 stand moja le se fit balance be wa le sa
wala Kolebu blood bank
and say bibi what about the simple was so gen 4,000 Ghana
ano no sutu aye
yes and o man Yesu moja no ahoro mako 9 so on fan nzo mu nware
4 pints of Yesu
nim se na gu bottle mu se na bus and the man me se biwe na me do se na nke se bisa ne se moja na etese na unya na ahoro 9 na de twam kura ne se o se o the first one gu nzo mu nware ye or the second one gu nzo mu nware ye de toso miensa de gu nzo mu nware ye na adwuma potea o de ko ho se nka
o de kopɛ no
yankopɔ mmoa na adwuma ne odware de toso miensa ye de adwuma na nkasa kura yi ni firim
ya
entina onhunu
nti wenti na ɔmpɛ nyame din ate
dabi na wakɔ nyankopɔn ho se nyame mmoa no
wankɔ nyame hɔ kɔ nipa hɔ
sɛ ɔno na adwene ne sɛ nipa no kɔ no bia nyame na asoma na sɛ ogyina ho ma nyame sɛ yɛka priest yɛ God's representative
yeah
enka saa ne te sɛ nipa no gyina ho ma nyankopɔn
that's right
nti nka wo hu a wo hu nyankopɔn ba we de em sɛ wo hu nyame ati wade ndo so ndo onko nyame kora o
ti moja ben ne de man sa no
o na sɛ yɛ krom ha no
ana abo bi moja kora no
o bi kora yɛ esobolo
boy
sɛ bi moton sobolo mu ne ade nyina sɛ
obompa mana da ne Yesu moja
obompa mana da ne Yesu moja
na Yesu moja no o twia
na me ka tra ko bi
se ba na wafo
de bi pesa bi tra ko sɛ ɛyɛ no kora sa na o di moja ne dware ne no ma ko ya ntiga fi so bato ama ono anga sango fa dware
en ka ba beto no ho o de dware agye no ho akra
ade ba ko no sɛ yɛ krum ha ne yɛ mpa de sua
okra
ana the youth of the day no eya koye se omukura no omonije ye frɛ ne sɛ omope fast track
bibia fast
study eya ya nanka sɛ ebia nipa be nya
abotire
entin omope miracles okoya na wabɔ mpa ya ma na ne ha onyina kɔ oba ya na se aduru bi na ade be ma na odi ma na ne ni ha nyina to atwa ba so onya da age so the year can say first of all you need to find yourself or find yourself we are put them down on the paper follow it and not reduce it and as summarize it then make one statement then you who you really are now feel pragmatically take bold decisions any other work towards it so the a bit to me actualize what I say now one can say we see you no or say or turn them 1 week now 1 month and I say we not best them life on Chantesa because now me can of you say I did be where a instant yankopon ye instant be process
2 penny instant so there whole repercussions or
I don't know to tom no man
so we say oko baby a manufacture there now your regular time where they now so penny express utu extra sa so na brabo no open shortcut utu ho ka
extra but no kra no hwe a o ye ni jaso ga na ntanyi kan ntanyi hwe ade ba ko misun firi nyankopon ho ne se hwe se de bibi yesi wu nipa oba nyinsan abosome nkunu ne akiri untumi mmompa yanka se adwuma na edere nte onya na 5 months you no go work so we prepare what the nipa bas as you suppose so we prepare to endure 9 months plus 9 months 2 weeks be quite 10 months abofra no beto ho nge kura na so wunya abotre ma abofra na fe na djuma na ngasa kura be shase and no you can't change it you only have to go through the process obenyina benya 1 year 2 years 3 years
emu
yade so kura na sen be fifi kakra obeba na nimu a benyina du se menu mienu te just and you can't do that one day.
Take diligence.
Yes, indeed. And you should tell Obi, I say, "Oh, probably we nyankopon ho dia. This is the way I will sit here."
You're ready so be train.
No, but yankopon na ya beto I ain't same baby. So now so the yanchira ya na ye no no.
Yeah.
Yentumi sha say wa bra. Yenkutu your constitution.
Okay.
Until I'm reading from the Constitution, Article Genesis, Section 1, Subsection 26.
Sharp.
My favorite test. And that's that test the another kind of video just say one just say this is the Bible not to. Oh, baby, that is a fact. If you miss that test, you will miss the whole Bible.
Okay.
You will even miss God.
I see.
Because that statement not talks about intention. Why into your bony pabasa? And if you miss one's intention, you misinterpret the action. And we have missed God. Because the focus is about the handiworks of God. But why is not important. And if you focus about actions, you misinterpret the Nipan intention.
You see, I'm quite sorry because of Mama and Dada, like the pastor and the wife. But kono Yesu picture near fambo hobby. Minim say nye Yesu no dear but kono na founder and first lady.
And a taraho.
Omuni a worship founder and first lady.
And no crown.
The boho kui.
And
Obijina wants to preach here. It's all about himself.
How difficult.
It's not that direction.
How difficult.
No picture ni sumo.
And can the picture and the boho. As I said, though in the picture, but we're supposed to see heaven in the person.
There be
on that nipa no begin how what point you to heaven. Let's say you're heaven.
There be
bringing heaven on planet Earth. So on point.
Yeah.
And the ministry and as a church na ekosusisiano wo focus upon the actions of God, not the intentions. And if you miss one's intention, you misinterpret the actions. And you know your miracles upon. But why our miracle is not important? And Metaka said, if you miss that test, you miss the whole God in the agenda.
Okay.
And the Lord God said, let's create man as our own image, after our likeness. Let them rule the earth. Let them rule the fish of the sea, the birds of the air, and everything that creeps upon the earth. Sa quotation we na urade nyankopon ka say, me ba be yonipa. Sa bre na nipa ni asase so. and also ne me be ya de be frɛ ne nipa na say nipa no number 1 as I say we me image, number 2 as we me likeness, so that they can rule the earth. Nti the original intention and I said the original purpose of God creating man on planet Earth was the fact that God was looking for somebody to rule the earth. Somebody to occupy the place so that there will be a rulership, leading to leadership, management of the earth, creating order. That was the purpose. Say, onipa begu asase so that yentimi manage the earth, the environment and the conditions e was asase so. Number 1, you fairly nyankopon. Na yanka so you fairly as a human being. Because I say obi eso oye car to solve transportation problem. Na why car na we na car na ndimi antu. Manufacturer na fairly. Car na anka so fa so bi amaso. Ndi na asama ewo ho. In fact, when we talk of nature of leadership, say the car here no, we're looking at leadership okra na ne bobre ete saying. Now no me kan wa video say you can lead a verb and then noun. The obi ka say me ye leader. The person wa try ne say omuvu normal. Act. Leader has to do with acting.
Two and among.
Enti say oba say oye leader na say Happy FM ha na oye leader na. Say you who say Happy FM is moving. A move from economy kanko any productivity adwuma. Say on mine na obi say yemfa mana say nipa no oba yetimi hu say baby na o man ne won afiri ho kodanim pa normal sa movement or move normal. And obi a leader in every organization say a wa juma say a obi adwuma na wa engage you. What it means is that
na krase wa busua wodi
wa busua family no kra na woda no there should be a movement. The leadership has to do with acting. You got to act. And they say when to me move no ma naturally say only leader. So when we talk of leadership, we're looking at movement. We're looking at movement.
Moving things.
Progress. Productivity. Kanko.
Any stagnation.
No.
Any retrogression.
No. Say you're quite.
Now by ube leader now they are quite dia na
chese. Just one makranke.
Because lead na kwa nimu.
Lead. You move forward.
Yeah.
That is one of the nature of leadership.
Move forward in the right direction.
Number 2. When we talk of leader, we're talking about change. Because a leader just say osesanoma.
Oden sakraye ba.
Correct. Oden sakraye. Ebanti baby obe peki ade no. Over a period no obi aba so hu say sakraye ba.
Sharp.
Normal sasa. Nipa brabo tumpon. So nipa na wudi omonim a wana brabo tumpon. Say a family na wudi animu a family no atumpon. Say a relationship na oda no a relationship no aye fe.
Company na oda no. Company no nsakraye abam. The way no musi ye omo no ma no. Changes aba. The way no musi ye omo no ma no. To say na bibia ye pen paper. As they say, you see a move from pen paper. You see a call paperless.
Yeah. And you before the see who said no man sakraye innovations. Juma. Change. There should be a change. And you because you're a leader, the person challenge say or some mama.
Yeah.
And I feel election year. There were 2 candidates here. 2 political parties two main okay omodoso enti akese ni mi ro so na America ye say
also the movement na leadership movement
has to do with movement afranto ba so ro person moving normal.
That's right.
Enti ye expect say omo mi nyina omo sankrofo kuo ni nyina omo pese omo di Ghana nim no as say obi am ye hu say they can move the country from baby to baby proper.
Yeah. That is the essence of leadership.
That is the essence of leadership. Me who asamanyin. It is a yade omani show on sa 4 years, 8 years. No one to me am fan sakraye bi ama. You are not leader. Leaders are different from managers.
Yeah.
Every leader supposed to be a manager, but any managers in leaders.
That's your whole.
You can't say manager. The management has to do with maintenance. So, be a manager or no maintain media or protect the status quo, or no or protect the policy there. But leaders don't do like that. Leaders disturb the traditions. They disturb the traditions. They create policies. They go beyond the boundaries.
Go the extra mile.
Yes, into your leader. Baby, I will pick your mind. No. Baby, I will pick your sorry. No. Baby, I will pick your company. No. You be jaw no. Na what's sacred no ma. Who the change in sakrayaba?
Yeah.
Minimum sorry be. One more penny na obada no.
Happy FM.
Akwado na we leader.
Happy FM.
Because who said he was disturbing the traditions. Emma confusion by. Do you go sorry do mu yache? If you say, so what transfer observe my now to say, man, then sakraye. You could see change. Change was at work.
And no near show, my
And you see, sir, I wanted just a son woman.
Who's a leader biaba?
Who's a leader biaba? There's a leader in position. And you could see, sir, one of you true leaders, there be a no resistance.
I know the
opposition.
Yeah.
If you say human spirits, you are
not change.
On pay change. Or per familiar tense. They would like to say, oh, say, I didn't have that. Or training son and Sabeka. And you want to shake no mass and the confusion seeker, see a power was out of American.
Okay.
And I trust the guy. Hey, changes in no way, and say, yes, saying you know, other matter to talk about, but you could see changes. Until now, we are looking at Ankrofua, or Mabedi or Mayanim. Omudi abusuanim, omudi organizations anim, say we got to see what we call change. There should be a change.
Yeah.
And that's how they are your managers.
And one managers, yeah.
Managers and but managers and they lead us to nowhere. And the say they try to preserve tradition. Managers and they try to preserve tradition. They are better na no munana mwa.
They be any woman any woman. Manage corruption.
You resource properly.
Timusa. Near creative office for near the Timusa. Na culture ne there and society.
And you know, no, baby, you can say obi a leader. Leader has to do with change. Fansakraebra. Man no man sasa. When we talk of leadership, one of the nature of leadership has to do with transportation.
Hey.
Yes. So because said me a leader, just he's going to transport the whole organization from one place to another.
Okay.
Because said or a leader, he's transporting people from one place to another. Transportation is really
Going to.
Everywhere. Or actually come. Akwantu. As a son would two point. Feel baby abatoyen. A come baby for.
Yeah.
And you can't be a leader without transporting the organization. Say, oh now we are MD and answer we are manager of this company. Every year be as I saw me a new report.
Another than one.
No recycle. No. As I say, remember no say this organization last year where do we say but this year there ya na mo ko yedimpa
Yet too far.
Who yet too far. That is the nature of leadership. Enti say obi yo kandifo ade ba kwa ye hwe free one say as I say otumi de yetu kwan
Driver ni mate.
Driver ni mate. As I say mo de yetu mirika. Na ye hu say oh when mo pick ade no na ye wo tamale say you do nkran. Yes. That is leadership.
Cause car no temu as a driver yet now.
Oh yes, so na won
It's not at front.
Till now you can say. So when there is a blind in leadership, one more would be children must be blind.
Yeah.
And now woman so called one destination. And it say only and candy for una will lead una will transport here. Young kwane ya cry bibi asha. And this whole started car and what Tiaso and Konya Genoa. So Kumasa and your Froka and I should Kumasa.
And so in Kobe.
Not just a uncle baby.
You need driver. No.
You need leader. You need leader. I'm sorry, repair the better. No repair.
Be an meeting in 2 years.
I feel one of the nature of leadership has to do with moving people from the known to the unknown. You have to be a leader. A chance say ofan krofo free. The hu ekobe the hu. And only a friend vision.
Nisuade hunu.
Wo nisuade hunu bia wo nima ye nya hunu ye. And the leader must be able to convince the whole country, must be able to convince the whole organization say this is what we know, but I am moving you to unknown. Me hunu be wo madwirima.
To your leader so ukura wa vision.
You must have vision.
And young vision.
You must see something. I don't know how you leader. So if you are a leader and you cannot see, you are not. Oh, every leader must be able to move people, things from known to unknown. It is unknown to everyone. And therefore, it is your responsibility to convince, as I say, more for 2 minutes, mammy. Now, baby, Mimi huna me pese mu nyina mu hunu bi. Ndi ya de ade ma over a period as I say, you hunu new things. The hunu ye the invisible no eba be visible emaye. The unseen no eba ye see our asasi sumaye. The leadership has to do with moving people from the known to unknown. This is how you leader. Na unni hwe the hono na obetimi ya. Eno your manager. I know your manager. And so managers maintain.
Yeah.
They protect the policies. And they move us to nowhere. Okay, mean to me kakra. One of the nature of leadership has to do with discomfort. Discomfort. Obi a leader. Discomfort in the DNA. Bibi. Oma ya hu entoye. Ahihia ba.
Yeah.
Ahihia ba ne say abai bi ba sisi ase oye kwan obia nya comfortable with them be
say man for complaining about amasama kwan
to basa futuro ne adad
but for change to happen
obi we na nice nti or the discomfort ba nti obi a leader who say o peke ade na or the ahohihia kakraba eno na chi ebe yenhira ebe yenkunimdie afi why nti kwa say yedwa ni paso. Why are we talking about leadership?
Chiremi.
Bono mabemi and sana fe yes.
Me be phone lines.
Why we must become leaders? Number one, it's a calling of every human being. A calling.
Onipa biara
obasa asiso.
Eye kandini.
Nyame free nyina, nyame boye nyina se ya kandifo. Ndi se wan ye leader. Na che se wa feli nyankopon. Wa feli nyankopon. Wan kata so wa feli okra.
Yeah.
So every human being was born to lead.
And you were born to lead in and yes, you know, ye ba be lead your mind, and I, you know, ye be called.
There be so
Intino, adi vision na wukurano, who leadership na working.
And I work maker.
O purpose, who leadership.
No, you don't to mammy ye moi. What baby huna aye vision, what document aye plan, what the namno. And no new leadership
into teaching ne o purpose.
That is it.
I was so we a leader in that field.
Every cry you might not be the head teacher or headmaster, but trust me, the whole school moves are
only why
headmaster
crying to me
function properly.
Because what show leadership?
That's correct. And now as someone here canon, we are saying we were created to become a leader. Or Shadan and say you may leaders.
Okay.
Indeed, why may you lead us? You are not able to do the will of God. Do biala on your leader, on the purpose, on the vision. Now on chassis so to one amono. In fact, the only on yanko on the pay and the mumma sanipana. On your motivation is we will be a leader. I was our purpose on the mountain. I was our vision on the mountain. I say leadership is our nature. Leadership nature. Nature no.
Okay.
The word nature no is from the word natural.
Okay.
Just inbuilt.
Yeah.
Inherent. Enti menu yasha dan nwene yen. Was mama ye money person ye suba na yen so. Na ne oba de no yo can before. The normal what de nwene yen ya kan ye normal. The raw material what de yen ya can be some. Enti so wahwa onipa biala mpese obi be hye ne so including bofra ya wo.
Yeah.
Onipa biala wa sa se bia mpese obi be di no so. Or say a divine imperative. A divine imperative. Yaka divine imperative we are saying say naturally nyankopon and a shed that a bibia a way mu.
Okay.
A part of us. A part of us. Was leadership is our past. Leadership is our past. Yes.
I didn't hear.
The entire say I should be a we as mo preach say nipa hwe ase. I should be a we as be mo preach nipa nyina ye bone. Nipa nyina hwe ase.
Say romance kan.
Theologically, almost friend the fall of man.
That's right.
By our money, baby, I share as free.
Okay.
Yeah, almost baby, I share as free. We were created to rule and to maintain order in the environment of earth. Okay, controlling the earth was the main reason for creating us. And what they begu asase so odi begu asase so no, and then we lost dominionship. We were created to dominate the earth, and then we lost the controlling aspect of the earth. If we did the we were supposed to rule the earth. If we say the earth is ruling us.
Ohineba mama announce phone lines na as we are wrapping up.
Okay.
Intino na course ne ba near their frafra.
Okay.
Our question be Emma Ohineba on the Purpose series I shall see 4 weeks ago. Maybe phone lines in the summary. First caller Eddie Kankra Abba Deda. Bamenkwa Homano Sombra. Hello, good afternoon.
Happy
Good
FM.
afternoon.
Nebacho Woody, any question awo?
Emmanuel Awule from the United States of Kisama.
Hey, Emmanuel Awule. We enjoy you on Facebook as well. We find me cry ne de ayare kakra ntino. Kakra.
Sometimes I say myself and say, your aim and what you want to be in life, but you are a parent, and the parents are directing you to do otherwise. You are under them. What would you do? I want to use research, for example.
Okay.
Me
too.
We started here. I was very good footballer, and my aim is to play ball. That is for me, play ball.
Okay.
And my mommy was telling me I have to go and learn piano. I have to go and do music. You know, I was under and I stopped playing the because putting up so long.
Okay, Emmanuel, well, I name Munya Club, but my two question is, we are abofra we show parents I say. Na o pese wo ye bribi wo hunu purpose wo hunu desire bi eno na pese ye but we for insist say take a particular job or career path again na wo be here because you are still under them. Mate, we'll take your question and then answer it for you. Unso betimi afre 0551563916. Yen Purpose series in any deba na wie ye. Our question be on any of the topics we dealt with in the course of the 4 weeks. Abetimi afre na webusa. Ohineba is here and competent enough to handle your question. Into 0551563916. Ohineba to aso. Responding to this question. Yeah. It's one of the first issues I'm raising. I'm share series here.
And I'm so yes, shas here no me ma. Your friend is a story be.
Chiro to one am phone lines no so. Hello, good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Pacho Udi, my radio no call for mama Mr.
Yo, Martina Fron.
Yo.
So obi no see me bisa question we man.
No problem.
Obey den who say ohun ni sebre.
Obede no hu ni purpose wo hu.
Yeah.
Okay. Eno ano peso buza.
Oba osibi bisaman.
Mate. Ya try to ho ye be he na eyi ano. Onso betimi afre obi busa se ekwan be no befa so a obehu no ne purpose. Ewa brabo yi mu. The very essence of nkomo ayedie. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Me pacho udini baby afrefi.
Pacho ya fam na ya makasa so go.
Nana ya busa question.
Pacho the question is sorry, sorry. Yes, sorry. I want to say omunya educational level. Papa and I say autonomous spirituality because they share me I'm sorry because when they are taking the majority of them now they are not spirituality. And if they are spirituality, can I empower them? They tell you that spirit that you carry or you can't use it in the church. But they always take it because they so almost that's okay, because they are not spiritually so. Because against some educated people as a leader for those spiritual, those who are
okay. My two question I say in terms of church leadership, no question is emphasis no for selecting a church leader on the person's spiritual maturity or educational qualification. Even nipa no suku awako and emfa akendi opportunity many pana na say and or can in the when a spiritual maturity in the case of church leadership. On the question also
when they preach to you, you don't feel it because they are not spiritual.
Okay.
Our post will come from yes like that, but when you say no more say or catch it up, but don't feel it to other people. You can't say one man take it, one person who say no. They are spiritually told the NTS or no more to teach you to feel it no. They are saying something. Majority of them. Okay,
I get your point. Just as often you be why in front of what we school and no more diaba. And I sorry na you because we call a Matwa say me da se bebre mobi sumbre mobi no so me busa question. Inti in his case of church leadership obi wa call school of theology akobo ne degree awie and I sorry na fana as pastor. But utimu say a hona any adwuma na wo ye no enye ne field in spite of ne doctorate our board theology mu nyina no gina no preacher na man for da o ka asem kra en sheda nkenya obia but one man church ono nkusi classroom da onko theological training bia mu no o fa microphone no ka so preach wa ha etwedom Emma or Sansu Timi crash solve among for spiritual problems. Inti what should be the consideration? On also the hour day Abba no. Obet me a phrase 0551563916. Purpose series in any area. If we any busa questions ni we are any opportunity ni be into a question be abusa. Or any attempted to answer first questions now.
First question no chere ne purpose or no ankasa no think can say obey no. Or tene maame ne papa nchen almost so insist say we ne so obey the day na no ye sha se me kan ho asem se papa bi a o hwe ne ba no person medical doctor na o hwe ne ba wie ya wonya body a wode papa na de ma no sa fe o kwa koye de ofe in fact o ye under them there se parent no antumi anya sa education ya ye kan ya wo mo be insist say wo mo de wo mo be so ye lawyer the one of the metima kakakra say confusion ma until no obey the more can
obedience is better than sacrifice.
So you have to obey them now ma take care of you na say one kasa so gi tumpa say we na wotia opa omo oye omo de na wo hwe wo so de
develop de
bedu ba bi a wa ba bedu pempenso a wade wo ho no afi obetima ka cho say ma me ne papa na mpese me medical practitioner baby am I do na fem pesa me am koye me de what de obenya kwan akwakoye wo de say ya abusuam emfa abusuaman so because God is God of order.
Okay.
Enti nyame pesa wo no parent be nya trouble. So in this case no modern
be submissive.
Na
but me mu menyu ani free. Tenkana wunya
no. But modern wunya chance study it a bit. Na fane senka wo de oba me no papa de na kra enya wo job. Na cause we develop working
no.
Na uwa kasa we be independent afi wa focus full time no e wo work.
Very well.
emfa problem biamba. Number 2, also say how do you discover your purpose? Or maybe as well which I know them say can answer your question mark 12.
Say any 3 days and
I think Monday
no good.
You can't answer how to find yourself. And me questions no so ha. So when Monday na
oko Facebook, oko Happy FM. Yen page of Facebook na oko Monday e pa ho adaben live stream na. Ubehunu that edition e wo ho. 12 questions e wo se obusa wo ho. Ansana wetime ehunu purpose. Na questions ni nyina no so no answer them genuinely.
Correct word for
genuinely. Men pretend this is about you. Enti busa question no na etro answers ni gu ho. Wo so etro answer no so gu ho wi a na wa summarize
answer no bi aye 12 to be
12 answers.
12 answers. E be okura bit me more than that. Wi a but modern na fe read this no na me one sentence.
One sentence.
That is your vision.
Okay.
And this okokwe na won tiasia you wi am the number beto dwa.
Okay.
So won tiasia na wo hia bia metima chirichirim of air mouth. Na watumi was simple cry. And the last question no na papa no so church leadership is enkrofobia how makusua tielo akọ university.
Yeah. Akusua
sofudi oba na asora fa no. One man churches na bi okra won school so ugina ho preach ya the anointing of
God so grow.
The difficulty you could my nya no. Especially with mainstream churches na. Omo focus more on education. Nti do every krana wo qualification. But say obi be yesofo no ejina odo na nyame frɛ no so meye. Enye ne asɔre frɛ no. Me kwa buruchiri asɔre bi mu ko preach ye. Sabe na me asɔre bi panyini.
Okay.
Ye pon ye na papa bi ka kyerɛ me say me preach no di ohu ye no wo ka kyerɛ me. Me nyai asɔre adwuma na me nkoye nyankopon adwuma. Baby, as
one have be confused.
Okay, so me too ya
sorry adwuma na ko
ya sorry adwuma na me ko nyame adwuma. Dia na opese watch actually na me te na se.
Dia me san announce phone lines ni be beto aso. 0551563916 0551563916. Ya be phone lines no o question bia about purpose. Unnim wo botaye wa brabo yi mu, unnim ni entia wa brabo yi mu. Opese ohunu ni entia. Esua de 4 weeks in here and then the last day o question bia bra ne bebusa na ohene ba enyiwa no nti o ka kire say jai asori
adwuma
mko nyame adwuma
on say asori na create offices.
Okay.
Nti ye foul say we ye sofo ebia we ye deacon ebia we ye elder na we ye nti aya asori na de sa office na mount na ya asori na adwuma ne bia na nyame frɛ wo nyame so mo srɛ wo so no enye ne asɔre ne de ama wo.
Okay.
Tene da papa no pese o kya ne say minya de asɔre na ka te me nkoye mo srɛ wo me so no.
That's right.
And what I'm trying to say here is say originally no said the medical chire mu say ansa na ye do to ma me yam obeba asase na nyame atworo do be yada. Tinka de asɔre na so mo ye ne say ka wo kɔ hɔ a omo bua ma wo hunu ne wo de bae. Ba intense sa omo ankasa epe bibi ma na nam se enye no na nyame de ma wonti ugina ho a wontumi function se de tie if you say whatever he create for he provided for nyame bono ma so muntu so ability to fly or their friend pedua ti nyame ammo so we yesofo na se okofa sofo die sha ene no so nyame an frɛ wo hene na se wa okofa henche sha obi an so da nti obegyina ho ama asɔre na hyɛ so we yesofo de but we who say anointing as a sofo ni ho nti no ma as say osofo tumi ye spiritually, physically, you can't even function properly.
And it applies to every
yes, every office
every profession.
Every profession say nyame when shut down sebe brothers are stupid nti obo so beto normal voice. Nti nyame ammo so beto nom na wa also be have to go and find your own voice. No ubu so be show more to do that. And so we are what nom no kora na untumi nyanka nyan se obi a ye wo no so meto no. Onti one man churches na all can the entire properly na binom to me function ye ne say ubohu say bi kura no wa asore bim asore no kura ma no kwan say e bia onye minister no ba ono aso tenka say bia oye sofo no wa pie ndi opia ono no oye obi anyame afre no nyankopon na heda desire ne so ma ndi owo sa anointing na ye de ye no ndi okasa it makes sense afi obompa ya na me na suma ntanyame tie on point no na wo a asore na ayi no obompa ye anointing say ba no ha ma obe preaching chire say utumi nya chire ade no enya adwuma until ye be sere say ye mainstream churches in there wo pa ti say
Orthodox
mbese me ba asore bi ya din but asore na o ma heda I see from
most charismatic churches here break away
from the
Orthodox churches.
Na asema wo ntino yakọ yanimi yebonya mempa say nkrofo a edinyame ya chini be hu nyame adwene because ade ba ko me hu ye ne say nkan ya asofo ne ya apostles no na se o mo kire no ma make
because na no kire won ha say ya sofo a wadwuma ne so
to make sure say people will have their work of service. They say we hu wo giftings.
Wo no so boy me hu.
That is why ntia wo say wo fa obi sofo. That is why ntia wo ye obi evangelist. That is why ntia wo ye bi apostle. Said the be ya obia wo ye sent ne be hunu ne botaya anyame de ne ba sa. Na no me kotu o Joel. So Joel kra de say Joel chapter 2 verse 8. So nkonko nye Joel wo ye producer. So nkonko ne ba so a you see your vision.
Yeah.
Obia benya the vision, obia benya the dream. And the one we are saying is say anka asore no moyen sa kwan so ma omom frɛ obi sɛ wona me pawasem wona oye minua wona oye me wofa asinti no be se ko di sofo wa bra nyankopon anka na wonim New Testament no anase this church matters na omo kan bebre no nsɔre mpanyimfo no bebre adwene ne sɛ Kristo Yesu mu de obi a yɛ sɔfo se Kristo Yesu mu de obi a yɛ sɔfo enti obi a yɛ sɔfo de a obi a betime di sɔfo.
I see.
That is what they normally talk about. Say we Yesu ne nyina yɛ asɔfo kuo nti yɛ frɛ so be di kan a so de cap we part of them no ngwa so de o se fata so betime but enye no korasa
very well
enye no korasa wo kan Bible na wo say ansa na obeye muja toa da ma me yam na wonim Yesu Kristo ba sa ase so say Yesu kura de ne ye ka Yesu ba ye no o say ono ba bia wo ko ye bia no o say I am the way, I am the truth, or the identity and the ba sa ase so
oheba ebra ye be
good enti na
ebra ye be
the last point na me kan na me dia ba wie no I was saying, say, leadership is our past. I mean, because leadership is our past. Every human spirit used to be a leader. And that was the motivation for creating human being. I feel, we lost ourselves. We lost the controlling factor. Until if you want a candy, soon aboto. The only people say, Obenya a candy jumaye. Until make us a past. Nyankopon born your Garden of Eden. That was your nature, and we lost that nature. Until New Testament of fire back say, "Ubia mbra me fa leadership rule." Na asema ho ntino and then the year ka kwesi an say, "Onipa bi oba asase so bia nyame na do ba he nko ade ha." There was a purpose
for your life,
a motivative birth. Do basasi so obasasi so modern so be who purpose who na eba be vision o document na ye planner wan kasa ba be leader na fe what me de movement change any discomfort
abani pa brabo
ohene
ba Kofi Eje Nyankopon so nshira papa it's been 4 weeks of enlightenment. Na mejidi se yetifo esua nema bebre efrisa series we mu. Ye beda wase na wachiri kwan so minim se nya yira kwan. Nti boa eni hu ne.
Se obi pese yedi nkomo. Me number no simple and straightforward. 0554
0554
5000
5000
81
81
0554
0554
5000
5000
81
81
Oko Facebook wa Oheneba Kofi
AJ
AJYEI
sharp
and I feel so the organization be at the say how to help people to find themselves.
yeah.
A Kick Leadership Network.
Kick Leadership Network.
KICK. Kick.
KICK.
Kick Leadership Network. Hwehwɛ wɔ Facebook na follow na yɛni nkɔmmɔ.
Sharp.
Aha. Nyamishira atifo.
Nyamishira on so pa.
Ɛne bibi.
Sɛ otu ho asi hɔ sɛ oboa yɛn na ɛhwehwɛ yɛn purpose. Obi wɔ hɔ ankɔbɛyɛ pɛsɛmi nkuminya no the information ahyɛ no ho. No nko ahyɛn ne. But wo sɛ obɛkyɛ na yɛn nyinaa yɛnya yɛ deɛ. Nyame nhyira papa.